Hello everybody, today I'll be going over a brief instructional video on how I tune the drones to the chanter. Now this is a video that will probably cater more towards the person who has just acquired their drones and they don't quite know how to go about tuning them up. Now into the video, and before we get going, would you just mind hitting the little subscribe button and the bell notification to keep up to date with videos as and when they come out. Now on to tuning the drones. The first thing that I do is I usually play a G or an A on the chanter and I tune the drones to either one of those notes. Today I'll tune it to the G, seems the safest bet. And by the way, the three drones, in case you're wondering, is the tenor, the baritone and the bass. And tuning wise, you usually start tuning with the tenor. So what I'm going to do is tune the tenor drone to the G on the chanter, and I've left it like sharp and out of tune, and everything's out of tune, so I show the process that I go about doing to tune them. So this is going to be sharp, and I'm just going to like waver it down, and you'll hear when it actually starts sounding good on your ear along with the chanter. So I'll play a G and just waver it on down till it sits into place and is in tune with it. So it's not going to sound pretty at the start. So that's really sharp. So I play a G in the chanter and then waver it the whole way down till it's in tune. So that's the little tenor in tune. You can just hear it. Obviously I made it really sharp. So you put it out and then you just waver it down until it starts, almost like making sense to yourself and in your ear. And from there, usually I would use this here, which is called the Chanter Stop Key, and it sort of helps with the whole process of tuning up a lot quicker. But if you don't have that, what you can do is just like plug the finger there and just stop the air from going through, and you can just tune like so from the tenor. So you want to be tuning next would be the baritone, and you tune the baritone to the tenor. So I'll just show you. This is also obviously out of tune, and I'm just going to like bring it down. I think it's a flat, I'm not sure, but you'll just hear this like wavering at the start, and what you're listening for is like this constant buzz and not this vum 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 sound. So I'll just let you hear it. You hear that wavering? And what you want is the constant sound, so it's the wrong way. So that's the baritone and the tenor in tune now, and then obviously the next thing is the bass. So I'll just go ahead and do that. So oh yeah, I usually turn off my baritone and tune the bass to the tenor. I don't know why, it's just a habit, but I'll show you. That wavering again, see? So it's nice and consistent. So that being said, all three of them should now be in tune. So there's no like none of this sort of drastic vum 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 vum. They're all in tune, and hopefully now when I play a G or an A on the chanter, it should sound out okay and it should be in tune. Hopefully. there you go. So that this is just like as I say, it's just a little brief instructional video. Hopefully one of you will find value in it, and you know, that's all there really is to it. So thanks very much for watching, and also if you do get a chance, do hit a thumbs up or drop a comment, and hopefully I get a chance to respond. But as for now, that's everything. So thanks very much for watching. Until the next time, cheers.